course, are clean balls. Shouts out to having 2 hands full of fucking balls. Uh, Coming in with the DWC Team Humor. Shout out to Team Humor. You know, we keep it popping. You know what? You know what to do. Hit the thumbs up on your way out. If you don't want to be a hater, you know, you can leave, but you ain't got to be a hater, though. You know, shout out to not being a hater. You know, he doing his thing. I don't like it, but he doing his thing. You know, keep it real. Keep it real. That Izzy went live. Yep. Shout out to SOS. Shout out to Show Me Sasquatch also. Shout out to Devil. He on Rumble right now too. Y'all can go catch him over there. Shout out to Rich New Design. Coach Mary Ma. David Corey with the crop. Of course, Wall Street Trapper, you know, make Wall Street look like us. And that's a Google thing, so you know that's about all my YouTube was talking about. You know, gotta give these shots out to the people we know on YouTube. Hell, the bills gotta pay themselves one way or another. You think? Networking always should pay the bills. Shouts out to you for creating that network of people that you know that you like. If they getting money, I'm gonna get money. Shouts out to everybody get money. If you ain't about that, I don't know why you looking at me funny. Shouts out to that Venom Thermal. Y'all know we had Super Saturday over on Pig this morning. Great video turnout. It was, I believe, 222 views over there. By the end of the stream, you know, we're doing our thing over there. Super Saturday's taking off. Doing that every week. Y'all already know. It's early in the morning for some, but you know how we do. We stay up. Staying up, staying up. So let's see. Y'all can look at how we laid out the neck cups so that those balls got a little time to dry out before we get ready to level them all back out and then get the next batch of genetics into the pots because, you know, we're trying to keep shit popping around here, you know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Santa O&C Company. He sent us a bunch so we ain't got to worry about, well, if this don't look good, nah, we'll just clear it out. And then whenever I reset, like today, I'll have more plants on the way. Shouts out to keeping them on the way because that's what we going to do, baby. We going to keep them growing. Y'all already know we're going to do that. And, you know, we got our money tree over here. Shout out to the money tree. And our snake plant with a cactus and some other indoor gardening activities. We got a full-blown flowering plant over here in the corner. It's got things popping off, so growing. So that's why I let y'all know we know what we're doing on the flowers. You dig? Flowers? Oh yeah, we do that indoor gardening. Can show you something. That I don't know if it's gonna make it because you know that's something mom had and want me to see if I can return to health before season starts. But you know how it go. We keep projects because you know we indoor consultants. You dig? Can you fix this? We'll see. Shit. Then of course I got some blue banner OG. Shouts out to those. We got some of those growing. My homie did that custom breeding project to himself, and it's a pretty good smoke too. So that's why we got 3 of them. Shouts out to the 3 of them because they running in photos. So you know, hell, we got autos and photos still in the garden. You know what I'm saying? Strawberries with the dragon fruit. You know what I'm saying? We got our room protector over there holding it down. Zoom in. Yeah, don't get fucked up. Y'all already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Plant types in the green room. You dig? But let's see. We 2 hours